So today's guidance card is the Magician card. We can see that the Magician has all the resources around him, and this card is also signifying the direct connection with the sun, the energy of sun. As we can see, the background color of the card is the color of sun. So here the Magician is representing the energy of sun, the power of sun. What it signifies when it comes up in the guidance card. As the guidance card, it is pointing the being to be shine like the sun. Now let's discuss how one can actually be shine like a sun. For this, one has to work on his soul, because the soul has the direct connection with sun. As I would like to share that the numerological number of sun is 1, and this card is also having the number 1. The sign of infinity, also we can see that this sign signifies the immense power of the human being. How we can use this energy, this is very much important to know. How to use and actually see the magic of this energy. For this, one need to connect his soul with the direct source of energy, which is sun. The sun is the power and the soul of this earth. So all the beings who are living on this earth has to connect with sun's energy to cherish their soul, to lighten their soul, and to shine, to spend a beautiful life without any obstacle, without any kind of darkness. They need to empower their soul, and this can be done only by the soul of this earth. The sun can empower your soul with so much light, with immense power. The soul, your soul, and the sun can be one. So it is very important to witness the sun in the morning or in the evening, or you can do the both. So bowing sun is very important. It gives us the power to live. It gives the resources to live on this earth. Because of the sun, we get the food. Sun is the planetary king. Sun is the king of all the planets and the zodiac signs, and sun is the center. To be like sun, to shine like sun, one has to connect his Atma, his soul, with the soul of this earth, which is sun. Only then he can become the magician. Only then he can get out the solutions from all the resources around him. Only then he can come out of the problems of his life. Thank you.